Hi guys, in today's video I'm just gonna show you guys how my workshop was. You guys know I wanted to take photography workshops while I was here, and the first ones are mobile phone workshops, so I took you guys with me, but just a little bit because it's a workshop and you guys have to pay for go there, and I paid for going to the workshop, so I didn't want to show you guys like what we learned, but I took you guys with me a little bit, and I'm just gonna show what we did a little bit, and yeah, have fun. I'm just recording. This is so cool. That was cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god! This is so cool, oh my god. Hi guys, so today's Sunday and we just had breakfast. We're gonna go run some errands.
Darn. Sure, maybe. You can talk to her if you care.
So yeah, we're gonna run some errands and then I'm probably gonna go hang out with a friend and then go hiking again. I do really need to study though, so yeah. Who was that?
My grandma, she's crazy. She was like, I can't just make one ooey gooey cake, I have to make two. I was like, oh my goodness. For the most part.
So we're going to Target. This is actually the Target where I was around with Faye too. So hi.
I'm gonna get some Starbucks.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
That is an inconvenience.
It smells like Target. My dogs. Oh, my love. Some of them are still the same. I don't know which one to get. We smell like every single one of them. So good.
Yes. I'm addicted to candles.
Oh, me too. Oh my god. I want to get one, but like, oh my god.
Yeah, that one doesn't smell good. I don't think that one's a good one.
I want a pumpkin.
Alright, come on.
So guys, mac and cheese. It's all the same.
This is the best. But like the Olaf mac and cheese, literally it tastes the same, but these are the most fun. Those are my favorite. Cheese, you want the Olaf mac and cheese?
Yes, I want the Olaf.
I'll get the Olaf mac and cheese.
So we're at her grandma's house, but the car is not starting. So, yay. We got cake, like, and I got a lot of gifts for my family, oh my god.
For 2 and 3. I'm so different.
Oh, fun. This is fun to watch.
Oh, there's your card.
Makes me want